Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very delicious chicken starter recipe, which is crispy chicken lollipop, just like restaurant style. So friends, let's get started with the making of this yummy chicken recipe. So to make crispy chicken lollipop, I have taken here some drums or drumettes part of the chicken wings and have given the round shape like that of a lollipop. And now I'm going to marinate this by adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper, then goes 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This will give a good color to our chicken wings. And finally goes 1 egg. Now with clean hands, mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined with the drumettes. And we will let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take a mixing bowl and into it goes 1/3 cup of corn flour. Next goes 1/3 cup of refined flour. Some salt for seasoning, say around half teaspoon. This is Maggi masala mix. Adding half of the packet for extra flavor. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce for some spiciness. Now add water gradually and mix this well to form a lumps-free smooth batter. Keep the batter slightly thick so that they coat well with the drumettes. And our batter is also ready. The chicken drumettes has been resting for at least half an hour, and now time to coat them with the batter. Take one drumette and dip into the batter and coat them really well from all the sides. So in this way I will coat the remaining drumettes. And now time to fry the chicken lollipops. I have heated sufficient oil in a karhai or wok to deep fry the chicken lollipops, and when the oil is hot enough, we will gently place the chicken lollipops coated with the batter one by one. Keep the flame on medium while frying the chicken lollipops, and after about 2 minutes we will flip the chicken lollipops so that they are fried well from both the sides. And we need to fry the chicken lollipops till they turn deep golden brown from all the sides. And by now my chicken lollipops are fried deep golden brown from both the sides. Check out the excess oil while taking them out, and I will keep them aside on a tissue paper for a few seconds before serving them hot. And here goes our restaurant style crispy chicken lollipops in the serving plate. You can enjoy this as a starter or as a side dish along with fried rice or noodles. I will serve my crispy chicken lollipops with some Schezwan sauce, which goes very well with it, and garnish with some green spring onions. That's it. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious crispy chicken lollipop recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel if you haven't for more such interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.